Hello po.
I'm George
I'm
Adrian
George Adrian
Sigliado,
Sigliado,
presenting
presenting
genetic
genetic
polymorphism.
polymorphism.
Introduction.
Introduction.
Genetics
Genetics
derived from
derived from
geneticus,
geneticus,
meaning
meaning
generative.
generative.
Derived
Derived
genesis
genesis
meaning
meaning
origin.
origin.
Study of
Study
genes,
of genes,
genetic
genetic
variation, and
variation,
heredity in
heredity
living
in living
organisms.
organisms.
Polymorphism.
Polymorphism.
Combination of
Combination of
Greek words
Greek words,
poly
poly
means
means
multiple and
multiple and
morph
morph
is form.
is form.
Multiple forms
Multiple
of a
forms of
single
a
gene
single gene
exist in
exist
an
in an
individual or
individual
group
or
of
group of
individuals.
individuals.
Majority are
Majority are
silent,
silent,
not alter
not alter
function or
function or
expression of a
expression
gene.
of a gene.
Some
Some
polymorphism are
polymorphism are
visible.
visible.
Genetic
Genetic
mutation.
mutation.
DNA
DNA
sequence not
sequence not
present
present
in most
in most
individuals of
individuals of
species,
species,
either
either
associated with
associated with
disease or
disease or
resulted from
resulted from
damage
damage
caused by
caused by
external
external
agents.
agents.
Types of
Types of
genetic
genetic
polymorphism.
polymorphism.
DNA
DNA
polymorphism.
polymorphism.
Polymorphism
Polymorphism
that
that
detects
detects
slight
slight
variation
variation
at
at
the
the
level
level
of
of
DNA.
DNA.
Protein
Protein
enzymes
enzymes
polymorphism.
polymorphism.
There are
There are
types of
types of
DNA
DNA
polymorphism.
polymorphism.
First is
First is
single
single
nucleotide
nucleotide
polymorphism.
polymorphism.
A single
A single
nucleotide,
nucleotide,
which is
which is
ATCE in
ATCE in
genome
genome
sequence, is
sequence, is
altered.
altered.
Detect in
Detect
highly
in highly
automated by
automated
using
by
DNA
using
chip.
DNA chip.
Most
Most
common and
common and
simple,
simple,
accounting
accounting
to
to
90%
90%
human
human
genetic
genetic
variation.
variation.
500 to
500 to
1,000 bases
1,000
to
bases to
several
several
millions
millions
SNPs in
SNPs
human
in human
population
population
may
may
occur in
occur in
coding and
coding and
non-coding region
non-coding
of
region of
genome.
genome.
May cause
May cause
disease,
disease,
search and
search and
isolate
isolate
disease
disease
causing
causing
genes.
gene.
SNP.
SNP.
These are
These are
positioned in
positioned in the genome where
the
some
individuals
individuals
have one
have one
nucleotide,
nucleotide,
EGAG,
EGAG,
and
and
others have
others
different
have different
nucleotide,
nucleotide,
EGAC.
EGAC.
So, next.
Next.
SNPs in
SNPs
its
in its
types.
types.
Most
Most
SNPs are not
SNPs are not
responsible for
responsible for
disease
disease
state.
state.
Alzheimer's
Alzheimer's
disease.
disease.
Genes
Genes
associated
associated
are
are
APO,
APO,
APOE.
APOE.
Two
Two
SNPs in
SNPs
three
in three
alleles for
alleles
these
for these
genes,
genes,
E2,
E2,
E3, and
E3, and
E4.
E4.
Individual with
Individual with
E3,
E3,
E4
E4
allele have
allele have
greater
greater
chance.
chance.
Two
Two
E4
E4
alleles never,
alleles
but
never,
two
but two
E2
E2
alleles may
alleles may
develop
develop
disease.
disease.
Directly
Directly
responsible for
responsible for
genetic
genetic
disease.
disease.
Types of
Types of
SNPs.
SNPs.
Transition.
Transition.
Substitution between
Substitution between
purine,
purine,
adenine
adenine
guanine,
guanine
or
or
pyrimidine,
pyrimidine,
and
and
cytosine
cytosine
thymine
thymine
constitute
constitute
to
to
two-thirds
two-thirds
of all
of all
SNPs.
SNPs.
Transversion.
Transversion.
Substitution occur
Substitution
between
occur between
purine and
purine.
pyrimidine. Second,
Second,
tandem repeat
tandem repeat
polymorphism.
polymorphism.
Series of
Series of
nucleotide
nucleotide
sequence
sequence
repeated in
repeated in
tandem
tandem
one time
one
after
time after
another.
another.
6.6 times
6.6 times
109 base
109
per
base per in
genome.
genome.
GATA
GATA
sequence.
sequence.
Simple
Simple
sequence repeat.
sequence repeat.
This
This
is
is
R.
R.
Then
Then
short
short
tandem
tandem
repeat
repeat
or
or
STR.
STR.
Microsatellite
Microsatellite
to
to
6 base
6
pair.
base pair.
Mini
Mini
satellite
satellite
VNTR
VNTR
11 to
11
60
to
base
60 base
pairs.
pairs.
Structural
Structural
variant.
variant,
Slight
slight
variation
variation
of
of
nucleotide
nucleotide
sequence.
sequence,
Deletion,
deletion,
inversion,
inversion,
duplication,
duplication,
and
and
translocation.
translocation.
So these
So
are
these are
the
the
deletion,
deletion,
delete
delete
the
the
D,
D,
then the
then the
duplication,
duplication,
it added
it
the
added
B
the
and
B
C,
and C,
and then the
then the
inversion.
inversion.
In the
In the
deletion,
deletion,
we delete
we
the D
delete the
so
D
that
so the
A,
A,
B, C,
B, C,
E.
E.
So the D
So the D
is
is
removed.
removed.
Then the
Then the
duplication
duplication
is
is the
A, B,
A,
C, D,
B, C, D,
E,
E.
and then
And
A,
then
B,
A,
C,
B, C,
D, C,
B,
D,
C,
E.
D, E.
So
So
there are
they
added
are
of
added of the
B, C.
B, C.
So that
So that
there are
there are
double B,
double
C,
B,
B, C.
C, B, C.
Means of
Which is
duplication.
duplication.
Then the
Then the
inversion.
inversion,
A, B,
A,
C,
B,
D,
C, D,
E.
E.
A,
A,
B,
B,
C,
D, C,
E.
E.
So
So
C
C
and D
and
will
D
be
will be
put
put
here
here
so,
so
so that
so that the
gene
gene
there's
there's
there are
there are
inversion.
inversion.
Then a
Then a
translocation.
translocation.
When it comes to
MNOPQ
and use the
and use the
translocation,
translocation,
the
the
MNOCDE,
MNOCDE,
the
the
MNO
MNO
is put in
is put in
here
here
and the
and the
CDE
CDE
in the
in
normal
the
here.
normal here.
So
So
that will
that will
be the
be the
translocation.
translocation.
Then the
And
R
then the R
is put in here.
put in here.
Then the
Then the
AD
AD
will be
will be
done here.
done here.
So
So
that's it.
that's it.
For
For
structure of
structure
fragment
fragment
link
link
polymorphism,
polymorphism,
process
process
analysis,
analysis,
enzyme,
enzyme,
restriction in the
restriction in the
nuclease,
nuclease,
length
length
variation,
variation,
identification,
identification,
applications,
applications,
criminal
criminal
cases,
cases,
disease
disease
status,
status,
biotechnology.
biotechnology.
So this is
So
the
this is the
environmental
environmental micro
sample single
sample single
community.
community.
It is to
It is to
extract the
extract the
total
total
DNA
DNA in here
and then
and then
add
add
source and
source and
primer,
primer,
then PC
then PC
amplified gene
amplified
of
gene of
interest.
interest.
So the gene
So
of
the gene of
interest copy in
interest
the
copy in the
label
label
here,
here,
red,
red,
blue, and
blue, and
yellow.
yellow.
And then
And then
restriction
restriction
digest done
digest in
here.
here.
It is
It is
you can
you
see it
can
in
see it
the
in
gel
the gel
electrophoresis
electrophoresis
when
when
we are
we
using
are using
PCR.
PCR.
So,
So,
so the
so
result
the
will
result will
be put
be
in the
put in
gel
the gel
electrophoresis,
electrophoresis.
and then
And that
the red
the
and
red are
here,
here,
blue
the
and
blue
here,
in
and the
here, and
yellow
the
here.
yellow in here.
So the
So
laser
the laser
detection.
detection,
So that you
so
can
that you can
define
define
the
the
fragment like
fragment like electropherogram, fluorescence
fluorescence
intensity.
intensity. Protein
Protein
enzyme
enzyme
polymorphism.
polymorphism.
Majority
Majority
associated with
associated with
proteins in
proteins in
enzymes.
enzymes.
Detection of
Detection of
polymorphism and
polymorphism in
genotype.
genotype.
Detection of
Detection
blood
of
group
blood group
A, B,
A, B,
AB,
E,
or
B,
O,
or O,
etc.
etc.
Phenotype and
Phenotype
rhesus
and rhesus
factor.
factor.
Blood
Blood
transfusion.
transfusion.
Modern
Modern
genetic
genetic
research.
research.
Then the
Then the
identification.
identification.
Identified in
Identified in
laboratory using
laboratory using
biochemistry
methods.
So the
So the
PCR
PCR
amplifies
amplifies
sequence of
sequence of
gene.
gene.
Amplification of
Amplification of
specific
specific
DNA
DNA
sequence.
sequence.
Polymorphisms and
Polymorphisms and
mutation
mutation
detected by
detected
DNA
by DNA
sequencing.
sequencing.
PCR
PCR
steps.
steps.
Denaturation,
Denaturation,
annealing,
annealing,
synthesis.
synthesis.
Target
Target
sequence
sequence
copied and
copied and
amplified at an
amplified at an
exponential rate.
exponential rate.
Qualitative
Qualitative
method for
method for
identifying
identifying
DNA.
DNA.
So this is
So
the
this is the
sample of
sample
the
of the
denaturation,
denaturation,
annealing, and
annealing, and
extension.
extension.
So
So
clinical
clinical
significance.
significance.
Lungs
Lungs cancer
polymorphism
polymorphism
discovered
discovered
in
in
multiple
multiple
XPD
XPD
exons.
exons.
XPD
XPD
involves a
involves a
DNA repair
DNA repair
mechanism during
mechanism during
replication.
replication.
Two
Two
common
common
polymorphism is
polymorphism is ASP312
ASP312-ASN
ASN
and
and
LYS7511G1N.
LYS751G1N.
Both result
Both
in a
result in
change
a
of
change
single
of
amino
single
acid,
amino acid,
which is
which is
asthma.
asthma.
I
I
then
Then
asthma.
asthma.
Inflammatory disease
Inflammatory
of
disease of
lungs. There are
lungs.
many
There are
genes
many
for
genes for
asthma. One
asthma.
is
One is
CD14
CD14
and cause
and cause
polymorphism in
polymorphism
which
in which
increase of
increase of
CD14
CD14
14
14
with low
with low
IgE0.
IgE0.
Application.
Application.
Gene
Gene
mapping.
mapping.
Pharmacogenomics.
Genomics.
Forensic.
Forensic.
You can
Human
do it in
fluid in
agriculture,
agriculture, biological research, disease and identification.
Pharmacogenomics.
Pharmacogenomics.
Role of
Role of
genome in
genome
drug
in drug
response.
response.
Pharmacogenomics
Pharmacogenomics
reflects
reflects
combination of
combination of
pharmacology and
pharmacology and
genomics.
genomics.
Genetic
Genetic
makeup of an
makeup of an
individual
individual
affects
affects
risk
risk
response to
response to
drugs.
drugs.
Genomics and
Genomics and
epigenetics
epigenetics dealing with effect
of
of
multiple
multiple
genes on drug
genes on drug
response.
response.
Conclusion.
Conclusion. It provides opportunity to integrate selection studies with knowledge about molecular genetics and their target. Polymorphism of gene regulatory regions is one of major contributors of phenotypic variation between and within population. Future studies in genetics will determine genes residing in these phenotypes to map gene functions.
That's all.
That's all.
Thank you.
Thank you.